Hello friends, this is Manpreet. Welcome back to my channel. You're watching Career Talks with Manpreet. So today we are going to discuss on the topic that what is the exactly difference between the private universities of Germany and public universities of Germany, which is best for you. Yeah. Number of students are aware of this information. Still, number of students are wants to know the detailed discussion on that which is the best university. Either they go for a private universities of Germany or either they go for a public universities of Germany. So let me explain the whole topic in detail. Right. Okay, let's start from the beginning. If we talk about the private universities of Germany, so dear students, private universities are same as you plan to study in Canada, Australia, kind like. So yeah, Germany is famous for it's a free education in Germany in public universities and government funded universities, right? So if we talk about that, we have to if we plan to go to private universities by paying some fees, not a sum, it's a lot number of, it's a very high amount. Like if you're planning for 4 years bachelor degree in Germany in private university, it's almost take 30 to 40,000, 30 to 40 lakhs, 10 lakh per year, really. So if you plan to invest such kind of an amount in where the public universities are paid where zero tuition fees, then and instead of that option you are choosing private universities, then it's better go for a Canada, UK. Then why you're planning for Germany? Number of the students are not aware from the public universities because they think that public universities applications are tough, how they plan their studies in public universities. So with the to fulfill all the requirements of public universities, they choose private universities. So dear students, if you choose private universities, you have to pay 10 lakh yearly. Instead of you choose public universities, you have to pay zero tuition fees. Seriously. Yeah, in private universities you have an option to study in English language. In public universities there is an option to choose a German language. It's mandatory in some admission criteria of some universities that it's mandatory to learn German, study in German language. So students are afraid from that. First we have to learn German language, then we have to study student colleague. After that we enter into the university. Instead of all filling all the requirements, where it's better we go for a private universities of Germany. Okay, the main difference is a fee structure. If you choose private university you have to pay fees. If you choose public university there is zero tuition fees. It's a very great difference, right? So and if I am talking about the job market, if you done degree from the private university and seriously search it from anywhere, it's less value of applying job, if it's value of searching job options if you done your degree from private university. Instead if you study your complete your degree from the public university, you have a huge area to apply in companies. The name is enough if you say that you are studying from the public universities. Yeah. And job market is less if you go for for private universities. And yeah, sometimes students says that we study in German, we study in English language, English taught program in universities of Germany, and on the parallel we learn German language. So dear students, try to understand the main difference in that. Yeah, it's okay you can learn German language. Yeah, it's okay you can do your degree in English taught program, but still the point is that when you speak in German language and when you study the terminology in German language, when you study that degree in German language, that means you are going to aware all the terms, all the technical terms of your related subjects, what you called all these terms in German language. So you are aware all the terminology in German language. So it's give you a benefit when you apply in companies, when you're searching job, that you have already complete all the degree in Germany universities, in public universities and in German language. So if we take the complete scenario of the public universities, so public universities are always best. Try to do your applications in public universities of Germany. If we talk about the rank system of the universities, yeah, there are rank systems, but seriously, when you are applying to the jobs, the company never says that you have studied from Munich and you are studying from XYZ and you are studying from ABC, some any other university, it all your interview criteria depends on your universities, nothing like that. They always check your confidence level, you always check your skills, how knowledgeable you are, all that depends on your skills. And you are knowledgeable on only in that cases when your all concepts are clear, when you do practical study, when you give your best efforts, and all you can get better in public universities than private universities, seriously. When you know the value of the time you are spending to public universities. See, all the public universities are government funded universities, and government funded all the universities are same, nothing like that. This university is funded more, this university is funded less, and the same salary package of the professors given by the government or from the taxpayers. From where the all these universities are running, how they're running, and all the infrastructure, all the libraries, all the labs, everything is completely designed with high technology, so you can easily clear your all concepts while studying in these universities. So I always suggest that go for public universities. Application criteria is not so much difficult, you can easily do their applications. Since you have any problem while doing applications, you can call us, you can message us. We are the Career Talks, always do the applications in public universities. Our specialty is doing applications only in public universities. We never do the applications for private universities. We are expertise in doing the public university applications. We have a complete expertise team of visa department. We can do your hard work for your SOP, your LOR, every motivational letter, every document of visa process can be done with by expert team. So if you want to do in your application process for public universities, we can always help you to do in applications for your public universities. Either you go for any course, either you go for engineering, either you go for a management course, either you go for a hospitality course. Dear students, in Germany every course have a every stream, every course is in demand. There is not a single course who's having not having the scope in Germany. So every course have a great scope in Germany. If you plan to study in Germany, always try to choose the public university options. It's really good for you. It's also save the money of your parents, and it also make you more confident that you do your studies by own. There is no need to depend on others for your study, there is no need to disturb any others for your studies. So it always increase your self confidence that you do your studies by own, because when there is no need to pay university fees. Only the requirement is living cost, and there is an option to do a part-time job to get a living cost easily. And by doing part-time job, seriously, it helps to increase your German language, because it is a complete, we can say that, practical practice of your German language. And it also makes you knowledgeable in market knowledge, and it also increase your confidence level. So when you complete your degree also doing part time job to getting your living cost, after all this you are easily eligible to crack an interview of the companies, because already your skills are developed by studying practical education in Germany public universities. So I guess I clear every points. Still you have any queries, any confusion, you can call, you can message at 836 8027 663 Manpreet. Thank you.